17th one. Miscellaneous 6, 17th first one. Show that height of the cylinder of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 2r by root 3. So radius of the sphere is capital R. So here when we draw the height, this is the height of the cylinder and cylinder of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere. So we have to find when the volume of the cylinder is maximum. So volume of the cylinder is pi r square h and radius, so sphere, radius of the sphere, that is capital R. Given that radius of the sphere, that is capital R, and here cylinder, we have to prove that height of the cylinder of maximum volume is 2r by root 3. So we have to find out here, let this be R and this be h. R be the radius of the cylinder and h be the height of the cylinder. Then volume of the cylinder equal to pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder equal to pi r square h. Then here we can eliminate. Here it is function of two variables r and h. So we have to eliminate one variable using the given constant capital R. So we can this is the height of the cylinder. So this will be h by 2, half of the height. This is the center of the sphere. Here this is R and this is small letter r. So from the right triangle we can eliminate r square. We can find r square. So small letter r square equal to capital R square minus h by 2 whole square. Since it is right triangle, using Pythagoras theorem, we can write r square, small r square. So here this equal to pi into small r square equal to capital R square minus capital R square minus h square by 4. H by 2 whole square, that is h square by 4 into h. So that is the volume of the cylinder, pi r square h. R square we wrote in terms of h and capital R is constant. So we wrote in terms of only one variable h. So now that is we can simplify pi into r square into h, that is r square h minus h cube divided by 4. Now we wrote v as a function of variable h. Now we can find derivative v dash h. Now v dash h equal to pi into derivative of r square h. R square into derivative h 1 minus 1 by 4 into derivative of h cube, that is 3h square. So we got v dash h. Now we can write v dash h equal to 0 implies this is equal to 0. So that means pi will be constant, that is take the other side. So we get r square equal to 3h square by 4. So from that we get, here the variable is h. R is a constant. We want to find small h. So h square equal to 4r square by 3. Therefore h square equal to 4r square by 3. Therefore h equal to 2r by root 3. So we got the value of h, that is 2r by root 3. That is what we want to prove. But we have to show that the volume is, when the volume is maximum, we have to show that volume is maximum at this value, h equal to 2r by root 3. For that we have to find the second derivative, v double dash h. So v double dash h equal to from the first derivative we can find the second derivative, pi into derivative r square 0 minus 3 by 4 into derivative of h square, that is 2h. Now we can simplify and we can substitute h equal to 2r by root 3. So that is, here we can cancel, we get 2 minus 3 pi by 2 into h equal to 2r by root 3. So 2 cancel, so we get, this is negative number. So minus 3 by root 3 pi r, which is less than 0, negative. So we proved that volume is maximum when h equal to 2r by root 3. So now we have to prove that height of the cylinder is 2r by root 3. That we proved, h equal to 2r by root 3 when the volume is maximum. Also find the maximum volume. So we have to find the volume. So for that we can substitute here volume. So here we can substitute and find the volume. So V equal to pi into, or we can, it is easy to, we can substitute here. Here we can substitute. So volume, this is the volume. So volume equal to pi into r square minus h square. What is h square? 4r square by 3. 4r square by 3 into this by 4, 1 by 4. Bracket. Then h, 2r by root 3. 2r by root 3. That is equal to pi into 4 cancelled. Pi into r square minus r square by 3. That is 2r square by 3. 3r square minus r square. 2r square by 3 into 2r by root 3. That is equal to 2 into 2. 4 pi 2r by root 3. This is root 3. So 4 pi r cube. 4 pi r cube by 3 root 3. So that is the volume. 4 pi r cube. 4 pi r cube by 3 root 3. So that is the volume. So we found the volume. Now we can find the next question. So 17th over. Now 18th one. So 18th, height of the cylinder of greatest volume inscribed in a cone. So cylinder is inscribed in a cone. So cylinder is inscribed in a cone and cone of height h. Given that height of the cone equal to h. This height equal to h, that is given. So that is given constant, height of the cone. And semi-vertical angle is alpha. So we can draw the semi-vertical, mark the semi-vertical angle as alpha. So alpha and h are constants. Now we have to prove that height of the cylinder of greatest volume. So volume of the cylinder should be greatest. So volume of the cylinder, we want to find the maximum volume when the volume is maximum. So let this be O, A, B, C, D, E. Now we can take the radius of the cylinder. Radius of the cylinder we can take y. And height of the cylinder we can take x. So y is the radius of the cylinder, x is the height of the cylinder. Now we can consider the two similar triangles, that is triangle OAB similar to triangle OCE. OAB, OCE are two similar triangles. So OA divided by OC. OA by OC equal to AB divided by CE. AB divided by CE. OA, what is OA? OA is the total height of the cone h. H minus height of the cylinder x. So h minus x. So h minus x by OC. OC is the height of the cone h equal to AB. AB is radius of the cylinder, that is y. CE. CE is the radius of the, we can write CE itself. And we can find CE from the right triangle. In triangle, right triangle OCE, tan alpha equal to, OCE tan alpha equal to CE divided by OCE, CE divided by OC. So that is here CE divided by OC is height of the cone, that is h. So tan alpha equal to CE by h. So CE equal to h tan alpha. So we can substitute in the place of CE, we can write h tan alpha. So we can substitute in this relation, that is, so we get h minus x divided by h equal to y divided by CE, that is h tan alpha. Now we can cancel this h from both sides. Now cross multiplying we get y equal to h minus x into tan alpha. So we got y equal to h minus x into tan alpha. Now we can substitute in the volume. What is the volume of the cylinder? See, here we want the greatest volume, cylinder of greatest volume. So volume of the cylinder should be greatest. So volume of the cylinder, radius is y, height h. So volume of the cylinder is pi into y square into x. That is the volume of the cylinder, pi r square h. So this is the volume, that should be maximum. So we have to eliminate one variable. There are two variables x and y. So we can eliminate y equal to h minus x tan alpha. So we can substitute here pi into h minus x tan alpha whole square. That is h minus x whole square into tan square alpha into x. So we wrote the volume in terms of only one variable x, because h and alpha are given constants. Now it is function of one variable. Now we can find the derivative. V dash, here remember it is the variable is x. H and alpha are constants. So V dash x equal to pi into. So first we simplify V of x equal to pi tan square alpha. Pi into tan square alpha, that is constant. And the remaining is h minus x whole x into h minus x whole square, that is h square minus 2hx plus x square. That is pi into tan square alpha into h square x minus 2h x square plus x cube. Now we can find the derivative V dash. Now V dash x equal to pi tan square alpha into derivative of this with respect to x. H square constant, h square into derivative x1 minus 2h into derivative x square, that is 2x plus 3x square. So now we can write V dash x equal to 0 implies that is pi. So pi tan square alpha is constant. So that into this equal to 0. So this become, take that side 0 by, that will be 0. So we can write this equal to 0. That is 3x square minus 4hx plus h square equal to 0. So V dash x equal to 0 implies 3x square minus 4hx plus h square equal to 0. Now remember here the variable is x. We want to find the variable x. So this is a quadratic equation in terms of x, or you can factorize. See here coefficient of x square 3, constant h square. So 3 into h square, when we multiply we should get 3h square, sum minus 4h. So minus 3h into minus h, 3h square, and minus 3h plus minus h minus 4h. So we can factorize. So we get 3x square minus 3hx minus hx plus h square equal to 0. So 3x common, 3x into x minus h into x minus h equal to 0. So that is 3x minus h into x minus h equal to 0. So we get x equal to h. Therefore, we get x equal to h or x equal to h by 3 from these two factors we get. But x equal to h is not possible because see this height of the cylinder is not equal to height of the cone. So that is not possible. So the possible value is x equal to h by 3. Therefore x equal to h by 3. Now we have to show that it is maximum. See here height of cylinder of greatest volume. So we have to show that volume is greatest when x equal to h by 3. For that we have to find the second derivative, v double dash x. So we'll find we have to find the volume of the cylinder. That is here we have to substitute. So that will so let it be the v of x. Now we have to find the second derivative. From this we have to find the second derivative, v double dash x equal to here pi tan square alpha into here derivative of h square 0 minus 4h into derivative x 1 plus 6x. Now when x equal to h by 3 we have to find. When x equal to h by 3, v double dash x equal to pi tan square alpha into minus 4h plus 6 into h by 3. That is 6h by 3. That is 2h. So minus 4h. So we got pi tan square alpha into minus 4h plus 2h. That is minus 2h. So that will be negative. That is less than 0. Therefore volume is maximum when x equal to h by 3. Now here we have proved that height of the cylinder of greatest volume is 1/3 of the cone. So we proved x equal to height of the cylinder equal to 1/3 of the height of the cone. So that we proved. Now only one more part remaining. You have to prove that volume of the cylinder. See here, this is the volume. Here you have to substitute x equal to h by 3. Here substitute x equal to h by 3. Here also substitute x equal to h by 3. Simplify that. Then you will get 4 by 27 that you have to prove. Okay.